Hi friends, it's Stacy at Florida Life Real Estate Agency and Mobile Home Sales. I'd like to show you around this home today, so let's get to it.
This home is located in Bayshore Windmill Village at 603 63rd Avenue West. This is Lot T-13. For pricing and more information, please see description under the title below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to be notified of future videos. This is a 1981 double with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a fully enclosed lanai. Entering the fully enclosed lanai with glass windows, screens, and a wall-mounted air conditioning unit for additional living space. And into the large living room, dining room, and kitchen space. This home is offered turnkey with personal items being removed. Built-in storage in the dining room. The kitchen has beautiful bay windows above the sink, a breakfast bar area, a dishwasher, and a pantry closet for extra storage. And into the hallway, we find a built-in desk and storage area. The laundry room with extra storage cabinets and the exterior door to the carport area. Linen closet. Large guest bedroom with a walk-in closet. first bathroom with a tub shower combo. And into the primary suite, which spans the full width of the home with floor to ceiling bay windows and roll down shutters. The primary suite has 2 closets and a built-in lit vanity. With the ensuite bathroom having plenty of additional storage space as well as a step-in shower. We will take another walk through the home and then head outside. As a reminder, for pricing and more information, please see the description under the title below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to be notified of future videos. The entrance from the carport area heading into the laundry room. A large storage shed. Here you can see the roll down shutters for the bay windows in the primary suite. Bayshore Windmill Village is a 55 plus gated community. It offers shuffleboard, pickleball, swimming pool, library, clubhouse, and a host of social activities.
Thanks again for checking out this Florida Life listing. If you have any questions about this home or others that might be available, feel free to give me a call or text at 941-809-1318. Again, it's 941-809-1318. I'm always happy to set up a personalized search for you to find just the right home for you. And if you're thinking about listing your home, Florida Life can help you with all your real estate needs, including manufactured housing in land lease parks. I'd love to hear from you. Once again, our phone number is 941-809-1318. You can also find us on the web at floridaliferealestateagency.com or floridalifemobilehomesales.com. No matter how you find us, I'll be happy that you did. Have a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye for now.